Hey, so welcome back. Let's look at this next problem. Guess the value of the limit for this function as t approaches to 0. By evaluating the function at the given numbers, as mentioned here, correct to 6 decimal places. So let's start real quick. Let's just start plugging in the values into this function. And calculator is very helpful in this um, problem. So at zero point 0.5, you notice like the limit for this function. Oops. Is 22.364. At 0.1, it's 6.487212. Make sure you're taking the values only up to 6 decimal places, right? As mentioned in the problem. Excuse my handwriting here. And 0.01, the limit for this function seems to be 5.127109. And the 0.001, I just created two different tables for positive and negative values. You don't have to, however you feel easier. It's going to be 0.01250. At negative zero point 0.5, it's the limit for this function is 1.835830 up to 6 decimal places. And the next value is 3.934693, 4.877057, 4.97520, 4.998750. So as you can already tell, okay, so where you can make mistake here in such kind of problem is this. This might be confusing for a few of us, right? At zero point 0.5, the limit for this function seems to be 22.36 something, which is way too far from what we're saying. As the t is close to 0, it's around 5, right? So it's important to focus on the problem, what we are being asked in this function to find the limit. Even though we have multiple values here, this is my thinking, because we are trying to find the limit for this function as t approaches to 0, and we already know at 0 this function is undefined. So so by looking at the closest values to zeros from both sides, right, negative or positive, you can already conclude, right, that the limit for this function as t approaches to 0 e to the 5t minus 1 over t is equal to 5, right?